Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change navigation bar buttons on Samsung Galaxy M06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type navigation bar and wait for the search results to appear. Step 4. After performing the search, find the navigation bar option from the search results and tap on it. Choose the navigation bar option again. Step 5. For the last and most important step, now you'll see two options. Buttons. This is the traditional navigation bar with 3 buttons: back, home, and recent apps. Swipe gestures. This replaces the buttons with swipe gestures for a more immersive screen experience. To change your navigation style, tap on swipe gestures. Your navigation buttons will be replaced instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.